Hello, this is part 2 of my video regarding myths with inhalers, which are also called puffs or pumps. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sonal Agrawal from Whitefield Children Clinic and Allergy and Asthma Center in Bangalore. So number 3 of the myth, that cough syrups are much safer than inhalers. Actually, a lot of cough syrups have exactly the same medication as your inhaler does, but they're about 1,000 times more potent. The reason being because the inhaler goes directly in your lungs, or a small amount or the small dose can be really effective, while the cough syrup has to go all through your body and goes in your lung and doesn't even reach the amount the inhaler reaches. Number 4, that nebulizers are better than inhalers. Now, this statement is not totally untrue. There are few instances when there is a decrease in respiratory effort and due to illness or age, where the nebulizers can help better. But we all know that nebulizers take a long time to administer and they're not very portable. They also give a bigger dose than an inhaler. The inhaler, on the other hand, takes a very little time, like about 30 seconds, and the particles of inhaler are smaller and they can reach smaller nooks and crannies of your lungs and airways. So again, please don't be fearful of your inhalers. Use them judiciously and as advised by your allergy and asthma specialist or your doctor. Thank you.